Hi guys, welcome to Al's Garage. This is my first video, and for this first video we're going to be replacing the air filters on my 2014 Mercedes SL550. It's pretty straightforward, it's not too hard, I would not be intimidated. This is the new one. I've already done one side, so I kind of know what the layout is, but I'm going to walk you through the process. So first of all, you got to take off the plastic panels, and this is just a pop off. It's not too hard. Just pops off. And then this part also just pops off. Very simple. Next thing is you want to loosen up the connector piece, the clamps, which I've already done. So those are already loose. The next thing is and once these are loose, you can kind of just pull this out, just like that. Lift that up, take this off here. It's not too hard. Flip it over, and there you're gonna find 1, 2, 3, 4 star bolts. I think these are T5s or T4s. It's just whatever I had in my bench. And I unscrew these, but they don't actually remove, which is actually good. Of course, you can do those by hand if you want. I just find doing it that way was a lot easier. One thing I found was that the box is sealed pretty tightly, so I used a screwdriver just to gently pry it open. And you can kind of feel the seals kind of give away and allow you to jump in there. There it goes. There it is. And here, crazy how dirty these can be. Look at that, I don't know if you can see that. Man, never would have guessed. Never would have guessed how dirty that was. I bought a Wix air filter. It's pretty affordable. I didn't see any reason to opt for the K&N, which is crazy expensive. So you just want to look at all your corners, make sure everything's lining up right, because this has got to reseat back down. I set my drill at a 10 for torquing it, and it seemed to work pretty well. Don't go any higher, because you know you're dealing with plastic. If you try to just jam these down real hard, you could bust something. That is that. Slide that back into the front coupler. There. This should go back in here. Just set it down. You'll feel it snap in place. It's all good there. Now I'll go ahead, bump it up to about 16, and I'll redo. Whoop. Get these clamps in here. You gotta get these good. You do not want these leaking. There we go. Make sure that's set back down. Cover goes back on there. Oh, there it is. That's it. I've done this a dozen times. This is the hardest part. Oh, that's not lining up. So I gotta go back here. Make sure all this is set up. That's it. There. All right. See that gap? That's clearly not correct. There it is. There it is. Once you find it, definitely know. Gosh dang. Go. That's it. I think that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch me next time on my DIY. Thanks.